This property is presented by Jessica Magaha with First City Property Group. Powered by Platinum Realty. Please call 913-748-6213 with any questions. To schedule a tour. Or for more information about getting your home on the market and sold. Renovation is nearly complete. Newer roof, HVAC, fresh paint inside and out, refinished original hardwood floors and so much more. Gorgeous kitchen features granite counters, custom cabinetry, floating shelves and charming subway tile backsplash. Tiled mud room located conveniently off the rear entrance. Laundry room boasts ample space and convenient first floor location. Brand new tiled bathroom on main level and upstairs both west/granite countertop vanities and fully tiled showers. Beautiful new fixtures throughout. The front entrance stairs will be addressed prior to live listing date. For easy entrance use the alley access to park behind the home.